Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm saying good morning because it's 9 in the morning and I'm shooting it this early. So today, as you all know by the title, I'm shooting about some things that I guess you should know about acne. So you all uh, know that the last video was also sitting and talking video about hair care. So today I'm going to talk about acne and all. Right now I'm sitting with no makeup, nothing. I just washed my face and it's a little flushed right now. And I have my lip balm and that's it. And I have like acne. I just got them 2 days back and they're starting to go now. But this was like the situation was way more worse than this actually. So I guess let's start. First things first, you should never, this is not a tip or something, this is just a thing that I want to say because I was like very conscious about even like a single acne, like a single pimple on my face, and I used to like cover it up with makeup or whatnot. So I'll just say don't be get conscious about it, and I still do get conscious about it. Me not like saying it don't get conscious won't change it, but I'm just saying you are just pretty the way you are, so don't worry. It's like okay, they will go away with time, and if they don't, you can just consult a dermatologist. I have never consulted a dermatologist. I have just used and saw videos on YouTube for reviews of products, and they have like worked pretty well for me. So I guess the things I'm telling you, you might know about them already, but I guess they are literally life-saving for your acne-prone skin. They help me a lot from like getting this situation, and I got this acne thing on my face only because I avoided them for a long time because I was so busy shooting for my Instagram. So I guess now I'm taking care of them. So we'll start with the basics, like washing your face twice a day. You have to like clean your face 2 times a day, no matter how tired you are. If you wash your face 2 times, and by washing my face, I just started using my new face wash that is by Mama Earth. This is how it looks like. This is a 250 ml packaging, and the best thing about it got a pump in it, so I just don't have to like open the cap with my wet hand. Hero ingredients of this product is neem, aloe vera and tea tree. Everyone knows neem and tea tree is the best for acne, and aloe vera being in it helps to soothe all the acne you got on your face. So I guess you should definitely try it out. It like leaves a very cooling after effect. I use it, so you might experience it, so don't get scared of it. I have dry skin, I don't have oily skin. People say that oily skin ko hi acne ho sakta hai. It's nothing like that. Any skin can get acne. So my type is dry, and I was afraid like what if this face wash dries out my skin more or something. It never did that. It is like I didn't feel like बहुत ज़्यादा खिंचा खिंचा feel नहीं हुआ. It's like my skin is so supple right now. It's great. I just washed my face with this only. I have been using it for a while now, and I have seen like great change in my skin. Second, change your face towels on a regular basis. Like अगर आप फेस टॉवल यूज कर रहे हो, वैसे तो you should like like read about it somewhere that after washing your face, just let it be like air dry. Don't like wipe it or not. So just leave the water on your face and let it be. So I have been doing this for a while. It's a little irritating because the water is like dripping down and you get all wet over here. So it's like it's a little annoying, but you can try it out if you want to. Otherwise, if you use face towels like I do, I am not using that trick. So if you do use face towels, then you should change them after every 1 or 2 days, because उसपे जो dust आ जाती है, that will be directly on your face. So जो भी आपने face wash करके clogs अपने खोले हैं, it will be like filled with dirt, and then you'll get acne. So it is very important to use clean face towels and clean pillowcases too, because you sleep on the pillowcase, and pillowcase आपके pillow का बहुत clean होना चाहिए. I guess you should change it after every 1 day, because I change them after every 2 days. So because you sleep on them for like 7 to 8 hours. I don't know about you. So 7 to 8 hours on a dirty pillow, and the dirt and the dust, everything getting on your face, and then you might get acne. That is the main problem. So I'll just suggest you to change your pillowcases on time, to use a face towel, like clean face towel. It helps. It helped me out after I started changing my after I started changing my pillowcases on time. It helped. It's not because always about external. It's like about internally getting healthy for your skin too. You should drink juice, drink 8 glasses of water, and eat healthy. As soon as I switched to a better diet, like I stop eating this Maggie pasta and all things, I do get a better skin, and I guess everyone does. So obviously oily things khane se you get acne and all. So people do say that avoid like caffeine, avoid oily skin, oily food, bahar ka khana, and blah blah. It is all about small things. You can add curd in your lunch. It helps out. You can like just eat a little salad, like a cucumber, anything you like. So it helps out. One mistake that I did when I was like 13, 12, 13, I guess, I got a pimple, and one of my friend told me, इस पे तू toothpaste लगा ले and it will dry out and it will be fine. So don't experiment with your skin with this DIYs. जो नहीं होते, toothpaste लगा लो, baking soda लगा लो for blackheads. Don't. It won't help. It will just worse your skin and you will get more acne. So the last thing that is you should use face mask at least once or maybe twice a week. I do it like every Sunday. So this is the mask that I got from Mamaearth. This is how it looks like. Beautiful packaging, easy to like keep it anywhere, and a spatula to like apply it on your skin, and it looks absolutely amazing. You get like an extra cover on this, and the color is so beautiful, I cannot. So I'll just show it to you. Wait. Should we use face mask? Because face mask hydrate your skin, removes excess oil. Excess oil means acne. And I guess look at this, it's a greenish color, and it's like a matcha green color, and smells amazing. I cannot even tell you how good this smells. It is specially made for like tea. It got tea tree and salicylic acid, and salicylic acid and tea tree are the best combo if you want a clear skin. So I'll just say this mask is the one if you want your skin to be like super hydrated, super soft, and you should mask at least once a week, and this is the mask you should try because I am loving it. The best thing about this mask is it got salicylic acid, and salicylic acid is something that is really important for your acne skin, because for me that I almost put makeup every day to make content for you guys. So I have clogged pores because of makeup, and I just cannot avoid it. Like jitna bhi kar lo, it gets clogged at some point. So salicylic acid helps you to like unclog the pores. This is like the best. After you remove your makeup, wash your face with the Mamaearth face wash, and then you just have to apply your face mask. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and you're good to go with a supple skin and the moisture that it seals. It's amazing. It has no harmful chemicals, like absolutely nothing. It's free from all like this parabens and all. It's perfectly fine and perfectly safe for your skin, because I know I am super conscious about putting things on my face when I have acne, and it can worse the acne if you put the wrong thing. So you can trust Mamaearth for this thing, and the after effect that I have after using Mamaearth mask and face wash is amazing. Also, you can use my code JESS2021 for 20% discount on your order. And I guess 20% discount, good products. You should go for it now. Next thing, where you can find out and use the 20% discount code. Mamaearth got their own app now. I have mentioned this in my earlier video too. You can get it from their app, Amazon, Purple, Nykaa, you can just use the code and you're good to go. One more amazing thing about this brand, that as soon as you place an order with them, they link your order on the website to the tree they plant, and they send you the exact geolocation of the plant and the species too. It's so cool, right? And with all this thing, I still have the mask on my hand, so it dries really quick. Plus point. So with this, we are ending this. I look like an idiot today. I just woke up, I just washed my face and just sat, and I'm like talking to you guys. If you like this video or find it helpful, so just let me know in the comment section and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it. Bye.